We'll guide you through how to access Claude files. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude platform website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you should sign up by clicking on the Sign UP button and following the prompts. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Files on the side menu. Click on that to view your stored files. If you're trying to upload a new file, look for the Upload button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and then you can choose the file from your computer that you want to upload. Once uploaded, your file will appear in the list. To access a specific file, simply click on its name. From here, you can view, edit, or download it as needed. If you want to organize your files, you can create folders by clicking on the NDW folder option and naming it whatever you like. This helps to keep everything tidy and easy to find. Remember to frequently check for any updates or new features that might enhance your experience with Claude. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.